study, caffeine before exercise helps you burn fat. Welcome to Dr. Desk's One Research in 1 Minute video series. The effects of the caffeine are higher if the exercise is done in the afternoon rather than in the morning, the authors wrote. As part of the study, 15 men, with an average age of 32, completed an exercise test 4 times at 7-day intervals. They took a 3 mg/kg dose, 3 mg for every kilogram of their body weight, of green coffee bean powder, about the equivalent of a strong coffee, or a placebo dissolved in water. Each person completed the test under all 4 conditions in a random order and took the caffeine or placebo 30 minutes before each test at 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Overall, the research team found that taking a dose of caffeine 30 minutes before an aerobic workout increased fat oxidation during exercise regardless of the time of day. At the same time, the rate of fat burning was higher in the afternoon than in the morning for equal hours of fasting. Compared to the placebo, caffeine increased fat oxidation by 10.7% in the morning and 29% in the afternoon. Caffeine also increased exercise intensity by 11% in the morning and 13% in the afternoon. The maximum oxygen uptake was also higher in the afternoon. Overall, these results suggest that a combination of acute caffeine intake and exercise at moderate intensity in the afternoon provides the best scenario for individuals seeking to increase whole body fat oxidation during aerobic exercise.